Hello! Hello! Today we're gonna make a cake. Should we explain to them what we're doing?
We're just making a cake.
Today we're gonna teach you how to make a cake.
You explain, I'll preheat the oven.
So today we're gonna be making a cake with limited resources. So first step is preheat the oven.
Is this a metal pan or a dark pan? Metal? It feels like metal.
Yeah, do 350.
I will be preheating the oven.
Preheat.
I did not think of
Ben! Everyone, this is Ben.
Is it filming right now?
Yep.
Hi.
And while the oven preheats, you'll start making your ingredients.
Yes.
You don't make ingredients.
Blend them together.
Get out.
Okay, first step. Oh no, we need to grease this.
I will put this
Oh,
it
it's
close?
flour light. We don't have flour.
No, we're just gonna be oiling. Okay, Ben, get a paper towel and use that. Don't just pour oil into the pan. I am opening the bag.
No, I'll edit it out later.
Okay, cool.
Ooh, that smells really good. And now we're dumping in the mix. There we go.
Okay, the bowl is oiled.
That's not a bowl.
Okay, now put in the water.
Just one check.
Oh, we need something to mix this all together.
Do you have a whisk?
Knife.
We're
Okay,
doing
we just realized we don't have anything to mix it, so we'll probably use the knife to mix it. And just so you all know, we are in fact in the middle of a lounge, so people might watch
Walking in and out.
Okay, 1/3 vegetable oil.
It's not full. Okay. I don't want to do the eggs. I don't want to get my hands dirty. You need to speak louder so they can hear you.
So why would you do a cooking show?
I'm up in the air. What?
I'm a bakerist.
A what?
Nice. We mix.
Why is it the back of the knife?
Why would we use the front of the knife?
Blend.
Okay.
I'm breaking up.
That's really kind of
No, I think this is what cake is supposed to look like. This is what cake is supposed to look like. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay.
What? There's still lumps.
Not preheated.
No. Oh my god.
Okay, now we're gonna pour it in the pan.
Ooh, pretty.
Is it?
It looks kind of like mud. This is gonna be more of like a giant cookie type situation.
Yeah.
Okay, I am taking the pan to the oven. Oh, it's hot.
And now it'll be in the oven for 24 to 29 minutes.
We're putting the cake in for 26 minutes.
And we'll be right back.
What are you doing?
I was gonna Okay.
Hi, welcome back.
Cake is out of the oven. And now it's time to frost.
Alright, I'm gonna use that steak knife to chop up the Twix.
Are you actually gonna use that?
Yeah.
We found that here.
No.
This
Yes,
actually
delish.
smells so good.
It smells delish.
Well, they make the Twix. I am gonna.
We're making the Twix. Then you have to like hit it. Move.
Emma's behind the camera, by the way.
Bone apple feet.
No, it's not funny. Did it work? You're right.
Did you just hit your head?
I hit my elbow.
Oh, you did it, did you?
It looks so disgusting. You're so good. Then get rid of the crumbs on the top.
Okay.
When I was born, I knew baking was for me, and I never pursued that.
What?
I did so good.
What?
did that, didn't you?
Yay!
It's so pretty. Yeah, no, I really hate the caramel clump.
This might taste very odd.
Ugh.
There's like chunks of caramel. Chunks of caramel.
Chunks of caramel.
It looks so disgusting.
Maybe we should have thought about the fact that caramel is in the middle of Twix.
Yeah, the fact that it wouldn't break up.
It's okay, it's beautiful.
This looks so disgusting.
No, it looks
like
really
one of those
good.
dirt themed cakes.
It looks like really rustic.
1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching.
Okay, I'll do the fingers. Ready? Ready? 2, 3.
Thanks for watching. Yum.
Why is this chunk so big?
Zoom in by moving the lens like that.
Hi, Vinny.
Where's the thing?
Hello?
That's the face of a person about to enjoy cake. Sandra, give us a turn. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh, the camera's eating it. We have the audience. We have a wonderful game of pool happening. Oh, they lost. Yeah, disappointment. You can see it in the eyes.
Tell me if it looks good. It's not focusing. Does the cake look good?
Is it chocolate cake?
Yes, obviously. Ready?
Action. Bippity boppity boo, cut that cake. Oh!
That actually looks like actually good.
Wow.
Who wants cake? No one responded.
Well, I need to finish the game.
Okay, these actually look really nice.
Cake. Cake.
They're actually not bad.
No, it's good.
I'm gonna have a piece myself now. Goodbye, everyone. Signing off, it's Max LeBlanc.